The texting game just got a lot better because WhatsApp is now giving your texts a smart makeover. Welcome to GadInsider, the place for all the latest tech updates. WhatsApp has announced a new AI-powered tool called Writing Help, designed to help users rephrase, proofread, refine the tone of their messages, or even make them funny without ever leaving the app. Whether you're aiming to sound more professional, crack a joke, or soften your tone, Writing Help has your back. The tool offers AI-generated suggestions that transform everyday messages into witty, polished, or empathetic versions, all while keeping your privacy intact. What sets this feature apart is Meta's private processing technology. It ensures your original messages and the AI-generated rewrites stay between you and your phone. Meta and WhatsApp won't read or store any of it, preserving the platform's privacy promise. To give users a taste of its creativity, WhatsApp shared an example. A simple message like, "Please don't leave dirty socks on the sofa," turns into playful alternatives such as, "Please don't make the sofa a sock graveyard," or "Breaking news, socks found chilling on the couch, please move them." And even, "Hey sock ninja, the laundry basket is that way." Not only this, but the feature is easily accessible as well. Just tap the new pencil icon while drafting a message to see the AI in action. Currently available in English and only in selected countries, WhatsApp plans to roll out Writing Help globally in the near future. With this move, the platform's clearly encouraging users to rely less on external writing tools like ChatGPT and more on its own in-app intelligence. So whether you're crafting a heartfelt apology or a sock-related roast, WhatsApp's AI might just be your new favorite co-writer. Are you excited to try out this new feature? Tell us in the comments. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.